Are you looking for the best roller skaters for kids in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best roller skaters for kids that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the adjustable inline skates for kids. If you want to gift your son, grandson or nephew rollerblade skates, then you won't mind purchasing this one. It is sturdily built to bear different weights and is very simple for easy removal and wearing. The skates feature smooth 82 APU wheels which together with the ABEC X7 bearing wheels, provide a smooth and quiet performance. In addition, it can be easily adjusted to cater for different kids and has a steady frame to combat the bangs, bumps, and impact in rough surfaces. Like other trendy products, it also comprises wheel lights for extra appeal. Moving on at number 4. We have the 2PM Sports Torinx inline skates. They have a very sincere service. For example, 2PM staff are always available to answer your questions and help you to solve your problems with their product. Besides, if you are not happy, they will return for a full refund with no questions asked. Besides, it also has 4 sizes adjustable for youth, young and adult. And 2PM Sport equipped this product with tripper protection, ankle support, high-quality bearing, and more. However, the wheel balance is still a question even it doesn't affect much to the performance. At number 3, we have the adjustable children's roller skates. Shoppers love these kids' skates because they're designed to be adjusted as the child's foot grows. They're adjustable with a button on the side of the boot, meaning you'll get a few years' use out of them. They're designed by Jojo Siwa, so they come in 2 rainbow color profiles, and the boot is made from leather for appropriate ankle support. I love the fact that it's bright like my kid's personality and it's adjustable as they grow with a press of a button, one shopper shared. At number 2, we have the Circle Society Classic Adjustable Children's Roller Skates. This Circle Society pick is an excellent all-rounder quad skate for beginner to intermediate skaters. The 2-inch urethane wheels are suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. The skates are adjustable so they have a longer lifespan. Meanwhile, the boot of the skate has both laces and a strap closure for double the security. They are available in fabulous colors, which gives your child a fun factor that skates made only in basic colors don't. And finally at number 1, we have the adjustable inline skates, 65mm wheels. These brightly colored and trendy booking roller skates are fit for both girls and boys. They comprise of modern styling to allude to today's kids. The sturdily built accessory comprises 65mm PVC wheels that move swiftly on different surfaces and also don't produce lots of noise thanks to the high-grade bearing. Furthermore, they have a sturdy aluminum frame for maximum support and firmness and will bear the knocks, impacts, bangs and different weights. For extra elegance, they boast of blue, red and green lighting. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.